Something special. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another video and welcome to Friday. I'm looking outside and there are these lovely fluffy clouds and a little bit of blue sky, and I hope I can get out at some point and have a little walk because I am feeling slightly overwhelmed, and it has been a difficult week from many points of view. But one of the things that I've been trying was to actually put into practice my kind of personal resolution in terms of being more authentic. So one of the things that I want to do is come across as authentic as possible in these videos. But this is not as easy as you might think, because I don't know who is behind the camera, who is beyond this camera. At the moment it's just Canary Wharf, the view from our front room window. So whoever is out there has an opinion, has an idea, has expectations, and this takes me nicely to the topic that I have been thinking about all week and probably most of my adult/young adult life, and that is validation. And I feel that since I've been making videos, which is not that long, these videos for about 2 months, some other videos for work for about a year now with some breaks, and posting on Instagram from 2017, I guess, so a while now. But before that, obviously, if you make something, you're expecting a response. So why make something if it's just gonna sit there without creating a response? Obviously, it may create a response in you, but then the human nature, or is it? I'm just assuming human nature is what drives us to share. And the sharing has an embedded element of expectation, expecting a response, expecting a positive response. Therefore, maybe if that is the case, tweaking the process, tweaking the thing you make, the things I make, this pleases me. Making this pleased me, made me happy. I had a sense of accomplishment and I enjoyed the process a lot. However, the need for constant validation that I am thinking about here is something really dangerous, because now that I can see the response that some of the things I do is generating, I feel like I probably should tweak my process, change the things I make according to the response. And I don't feel that this is the purpose behind the making. The need to make things is a deep-seated need to create that comes from a place of self-love, self-care, healing, self-discovery, self-acceptance, seeing what is inside. Art as a mirror of the self. So how can I even imagine or think that what you guys expect, what anyone looking at my Instagram feed expects? Oh, I like this picture, do more of this. What about the thing that wants to emerge? How can you know what that thing is? And yeah, it's ridiculous. So there is no answer for sure to all these questions. There is just a pondering. So I am pondering. I am overwhelmed with the need to find an answer right now. because somehow my mind is tricking me into believing that once I have the answer, I can relax into being, into doing, into existing, into being an artist, a person, a human being in the world. However, I feel that the answers are not always there because they are being created as we are transforming. I don't know if I'm making any sense. And that's a dangerous thought, because every time I think that I'm not making sense, I censor myself. I don't say the things I want to say. I don't make the things I want to make. I don't do the things I want to do. So I'm just going to stop here. Hopefully this isn't, a 20-minute long incomprehensible rant, musing, whatever you want to call it. I do feel better after saying all this, and I wonder what you think. I wonder how you deal with this need. Do you feel it? Is it just as strong? Is it worse because of social media? Is it? Is it really? Does this make it worse for you, for me? I don't know. I hope not. I enjoy making these videos. I enjoy the process of making these videos. What I am struggling with is the internal process where after I make a video and I get some response, the next kind of step for me is, oh, now I need to do what I did before again, because that's what has generated a reaction. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. I hope this questioning is doing something for you as well, because it definitely makes me more aware of my inner dialogue. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you're in a good place, and if you're not, just know that whatever is going on is temporary, and you will soon be in a better place, for sure. Sending you much, much, much love. I was gonna say sending you validation, but that's ridiculous. Sending you, telling you that you don't need it. You don't need to be validated by anyone, by anything. You just need to be you, and make what you need to make for you. Whether others like it or not is irrelevant. I'm not saying that I don't want you to like what I make. I don't want you to not like it. But I'm not going to die if only very few people resonate or see more in what I do than just, the ramblings of this so-called self-proclaimed artist woman. Much love to you.
I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. told you I could never let you go. I am not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show